Okie dokie, let's give a demonstration of leveraging multiple roles inside of a single Amazon IAM connector. So here's what I'm going to walk you through. Obviously, you're seeing here a portal. I'll come back to that in a second. We're going to show you, number one, this Amazon account. This is one that you can sign up for free, aws.amazon.com, and then just sign up. You excuse me, don't need a credit card. And you can do all of this on your own, just like I did this morning. The second thing, obviously, is JumpCloud and Amazon Connector. So literally on support.jumpcloud.com, just follow the instructions for setting up the connector. And in that set of instructions, it does talk about leveraging multiple constant attributes to build multiple roles on a single connector. You see here I have 3 connectors. But this particular connector has multiple roles. Let's take a look. So you can see here the 2 attributes you see here below, SAML /attributes/role, the SAML attribute here. There's 2 of them. One I've created called EC2 full access, and the other I have called S3, right? Those 2 particular pieces of metadata, the exactness of them, EC2 full access and S3, as I've named them, are really important, and you'll see why in a second. But you build these independent attributes, these independent constant attributes, to create multiple roles when you assert yourself in the SAML transaction. We're going to see that in action in a second. But on the IAM side, note here, if I go into roles, these are the 2 roles that I built, EC2 full access and S3, right? So with respect to the names, if I go in and edit this guy, let's edit, I forget how to edit this thing, but the name that I created, EC2 full access, is very critical. That is what we pick up on. And the other one, S3, those are labels that you will give. It's sort of a human readable label to your role when you build the role. And that is what you need to copy and paste in exactly as you created them inside of Amazon. All right, so again, I've got the roles. I've got the 2 of them built here. They're mapped together to my connector, which you just saw via those 2 constant attributes. And when I go as a user, here I am, this fictitious user, Tim Albert. This is the Amazon IAM connector, SAML connector for EC2 and S3. So watch, when I click, what Amazon does is it forces you down a path. It's like, okay, this connector can get you to 2 specific roles. Which one do you want to play when you enter? And let's assume I select S3. Great, sign in, it does its thing, you're asserted, and notice here that the S3 role is selected, okay? Now, I'll keep this session open. Let's assume I want to get into the EC2 role. Select again. And when I select EC2 and sign in, which it will, notice here I have that good session. EC2, as you can see, is in session. If I hit the S3 one, you'll note that you're logged out, right? Which is how they manage their sessions within the browser. So that's it. You just need to build multiple constant attributes, as many as you want, that all map to specifically the names of your roles that you've created inside of Amazon.